Hello everyone! In this video, I'm going to show you how to create a professional-looking product promotion post for your social media. So if you want to create a promotional post for any product on your own, you can easily do so. So if you don't have any experience with design or creativity, you don't have to worry. Canva basically allows you to modify templates already created by professionals. You can simply tweak, adjust, modify, and customize them however you like. And then you are ready to export your post. First, create an account on Canva. Then go to the search bar and search for Product Promotion Instagram Post. For now, we will be creating a post for Instagram. Just hit Enter, and Canva templates will become available to you. Go to the See All option to explore all the templates. Now you can see that all the product promotion templates are here. You can explore them and choose whichever one you like. You can customize any template. I think I'll go with this one. This one is paid, but you can choose a free version instead. Simply select the template you like, and you will get more suggestions. Then, just customize the template you prefer. Just customize that one, and now you will have full access to make any changes you like. This gives you complete access to customize the design. To start customizing the text, just click on the text. If you want to add text, double-click on it, then Add or Remove Text. For more customization options, you can change the font, resize your text, change the font size, change the colors, and make the text bold, italic, or underlined. You can try out all of these features. These are basic options that you will quickly understand, and those are all the features available for your text. If you want to change the background, you just need to click on the background and change its color to any color you like. If you want to replace a background image with your own, go to Uploads and upload an image from your computer. Your image will appear here. These are the backgrounds I have available, and if I want to replace the background, I simply drag and drop the image. Now you can see that my background image has been added and has replaced the template background. This is how you can replace the background. If you want to replace this image with your own, go to Uploads again and upload an image from your computer. Then drag and drop it like this. I'll do the same like this with the background. Now, if you want to adjust the position of your image, simply double-click on it. You can then adjust its position as well. In the same way, you can add your own details, information, logos, branding colors, fonts, and anything else you would like to modify or add. Once you are done with the modifications or customization, rename your file. Go to this option here and download it in PNG or any other available format. Simply download the file and you are ready to upload your product promotion post to social media. Within a few minutes, your post is ready. Thank you for watching.